Hey guys, Dr. Brandon Lair here with Health Quest, and this is 1 Minute to Better Health. This month we're talking about neck pain, and I'm going to specifically go over something that you can do at home to help prevent neck pain. What this is one simple exercise that only takes 3 to 5 minutes, okay? And what it does is it helps keep the neck curvature of the cervical spine, and that is so important for disc injuries and preventing things like paresthesia or nerve pain, right? So it also helps decrease or loosen the muscle tension throughout the neck, which is very stressful on our bodies with desk jobs, with construction work, things like that throughout the day. Okay, so watch, I'm going to show you one simple exercise. This can either be done on a bed or on the floor. You're going to take a rolled up towel, or you can use a TheraBand as well for this. You're going to take the towel and you're going to pull straight up on the neck to where it barely lifts the head. You're going to look each direction while holding pressure, 10 times each direction. Then you're going to take pressure down at 45 degrees, looking over each shoulder here, 10 repetitions as well. Then you're going to anchor it just below the base of the skull, pulling up about 10 degrees more, like this, and you're going to look over each shoulder a little bit less than you typically would with the other ones, but still very effective. Okay, do that for 3 sets at 10 repetitions on each side, and it'll help create a new curvature for your neck and help loosen the musculature throughout the posterior chain of the cervical spine, which is super good for your spine, and it'll help with neck pain overall. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to call our office or like or share the video with the link below. Take care, guys. Bye.